here it is, guys, the midnight blue. I'm trying to get it on the sun, but it's a little cloudy. But let me show it to you up close. Looking really nice. I'm gonna wait until the sun comes out so I can show it to you. Let me wait a little bit for the sun to come out. Here it is, guys. Sun is out. It looks nice. I think this is the best angle right there that the sun's gonna catch. There's a lot of clouds right now, but there it is. Alright, and this is gonna be it. This is gonna be it for this video. It's a real quick video just to reveal the SUV, the Midnight Blue. Alright guys, thank you very much. I hope you have a great weekend. I hope you have a great week. And like always, stay safe and God bless. There it is. If you want to see more of Far Away, you can click one of these two videos. It'll take you to more videos that I have. I have about 900, almost 1,000 videos. Go ahead, click in one of those.